I heard there's an F5 tornado coming our way. It's gonna be here later. Probably. It'll be in the middle of a thunderstorm. It'll be thunderstorming and a big tornado in it. Tornadoes are usually like that. Not out here. Just to make sure. Okay, just get back in. No, we're gonna have to look. The sky looks pretty blue. Yeah, we're gonna have to film the storm. We're not gonna face you to the storm because it might blow you away.
It's okay. I can get to the storm.
So if you guys have ever been in a tornado and you live in Oklahoma, subscribe to us because we live in Oklahoma and we're about to have an F5. Whoa. Something happened to the ground. My feet were spreading apart. I was like, whoa. And then jumped up in the air. I didn't even do, but probably little tremors. But well, I'm not scared of earthquakes, especially not tremors. There was like that big quake, like in the movie San Andreas. I don't think there can be any big quake in Oklahoma. Because look, Oklahoma, there's no fault line, and there's no places where the earth can crack. It's not where the plates shift. Our way in Oklahoma is coming in F5, 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 F5. My dad's a storm chaser, so you probably already know that my dad isn't a storm chaser because he works for AEP. Wait, does he? I think his new job is AEP too, because people had to get new jobs because it shut down the AEP stuff. I think he's still on the AEP stuff. Oh, maybe not. I'm about to fly to vacation. Guess where I'm going? Florida. I don't want to drive there. I'm not driving there. I hate driving. Airplanes are fun. I'm gonna be like, bing, 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 bing. Oh, you have any idea where I'm at? I'm in the secret room that I didn't want to show on the house tour. So you know what? No reason. I'm somewhere where the hints aren't at. I have a pet lizard. I'll show you him. He fight. Doing good. He's shedding. Might die. Because he's shedding and he can't get it off his face. If we try to get it off his face, his eyes will come out and he'll die any day. But But we're gonna let him loose, or we're gonna take him to the vet. Which one should we do? Let him loose or take him to the vet? Leave down in the comments down below. But I have a battleship. And I have keys to my dad's big truck. These are keys to our cellar. Just kidding. We don't have keys to a cellar. We just open it up. Stupid chair fell again. Hate that stupid chair. Sometimes I see a tornado because I be seeing because I'm gonna be in an F5. Our house doesn't have a cellar. I'll show you everywhere. It does not have a cellar. And I tell you what, it doesn't have a basement or an attic either. I'll show you every room. Except for this one. Wait, sure. Here's the closet. That's where we go if there's a tornado, or we go in the bathroom. There's the underneath of the bunk bed. My dad's room. And that's a closet. Oh crap. What was that? I saw something in the closet. Hey, you wanna... I got a diamond. Guess what? Giving this diamond away for $1 million. Oh, it's getting dark outside. The sky is getting kind of white and cloudy. It's gonna be an F5. Oh, yep. It's gonna be an F5. Come look, I can see it forming. Holy crap! Look up there. That looks like a big storm coming. No, it looks super bad. I'm not saying. Not to you because you've been in a bunch of tornadoes.
I just can. Yeah, I actually have been in a bunch of tornadoes.
I've been in like a couple tornadoes. This one is gonna be the biggest one we've ever been in.
Yeah. You can't
I
hear
think that's
either.
it for me.
Hey, you can't hear it either. You can't really hear it.
No, it's not.
Silent.
Bro, look. I see it forming. Look at that.
Warn everyone.
Wait. Hear those sirens?
I'm gonna warn everyone.
No, you hear those sirens?
Yeah. Like me.
That warns everyone. No, it's not like that. It's like. Those aren't real sirens.
They're not called Fs. They're called levels.
Yeah.
Level 3 is a big level.
No, they're called F5 and stuff like that. Because this one is F5. Look, everybody's going, everybody's on their way to, Tennessee. Because they have a bunch of mountains. Everybody's just leaving the place, but we're not going to leave. The place where we would go, when the tornado comes, the place we're going to go. is in our closet. We are in America. We either go in our closet or we go in the bathroom. Which one? Closet or the bathroom?
Basement. Oh wait, we
We don't have a basement. Closet or the bathroom? Bathroom. Bathroom's better.
closet.
We're going to the bathroom.
I mean bathroom.
We're gonna get in the shower. Hey, you like my new thing?
You know what?
I stepped on something.
Okay, let's do this.
Warn everybody that there's F5.
Everybody, it's an F5.
Hey, bro. He got messed up by the F5.
Yeah.
It blew half of his skin up. Yeah, but the F5 is gonna come later.
Yeah, he's almost dead.
Oh, it's gonna come in
See,
like an hour.
see this? Silly. I'm gonna hit him really hard.
No.
No, not in real life. No, in real life, no.
Ah! Here, sword fight. You hurt my arm. Don't do it again. Don't do it again.
What is a butterfly?
It's like a spider.
What?
I don't know.
It's a baby stink bug. What is it?
Holy crap! That's a big F5 for me. Oh, Ethan, stop. That's gonna break.
What?
Bug going crazy.
Crazy good. There's a man coming.
Here, let's go get the bug spray.
No, we don't have to.
It's right there.
Oh, that's empty.
What even is that?
My spray, but it's empty.
Who's that? Oh no. That hurt! There's gonna be a tornado coming and it's gonna hit big. The sky's getting pretty dark.
You think it's gonna hit our house? Probably have to.
It's gonna blow stuff to hit our house down. Like, it's gonna hit our windows. I know that for sure. Our deck, like, will fall down by, like, wind. Our deck will fall down by wind or something like that. What? I mean the wood part. The wood part.
This right here? Yeah, that's
Yeah, and it'll blow down so rocks will come up from that to blow and hit our window. Know that for sure. And and I think there's gonna be a landslide over there on that hill.
I don't know.
Yeah, there's gonna be a
If
landslide.
there's a flood, there would definitely be a landslide.
Yeah, but which
If
is worse?
there's like a rock hill.
But a F5 is way worse than a flood.
Flood's too big. It's really big.
It's gonna be a long.
There's not a hornet. There's not a bee.
No, I didn't do
Oh, there
that.
it is. It's a fly.
Is that... Wait, is it on the inside? It's on the inside.
How did it do that? It's scary. It literally looks like it's coming out.
Hey, oh my god. I'm so scared. Whoa, what was that? Bro, I think I just saw a UFO. No, Easton, no joke, I think I just saw a UFO.
Okay, get in.
Get it! Stop blocking! Yeah, we need to get in.
Where?
Oh! I see the tornado on the news! crap. We're gonna watch the news and we'll be back when the tornado starts.